Hey guys, Josh with Navigate the Wild. Tonight we're gonna make a keto version of Italian meatball bake. So we're gonna do some homemade venison meatballs with some ricotta cheese, put it in the oven, and make it yummy. Let's get after it. And I don't really know what the standard is for a meatball, you know?
It's round.
It's round, it's lumpy.
It's delicious.
Right, it is delicious.
Big.
2 bites is, I feel good with 2 bites.
One whole bite. It's like you can just shove it in your mouth.
No, those are like Swedish meatballs. We're not making Swede meatballs. The same thing with my tacos, which we'll do later at a later date. I like 2-bite tacos. I just do. I like to be able to slam them down. 6 tacos in one sitting. We're good. I don't want to get any comments like, hey man, you don't have gloves on.
That's
or
too dirty.
Hey man, your hand is dirty because it's got black stains. That's a working man's hand. I work outside, and chances are any given day my hands are stained with dirt. It's not that they're filthy. I actually just took a shower, but my hands are dirty and rough, and that's just the way it is. That's unsanitary, man. You know what? So's your face, okay? We're rolling balls here.
Dad, don't say that.
Meatballs, okay?
Yes.
We're just putting them all together. We got meatballs ready to rock. We're simply gonna brown our meatballs in the cast iron on a low heat, because if you go high, they're going to stick, they're going to burn, it's gonna be a mess. All right, take your time, little olive oil. Once you start to hear that sizzle, we're gonna reduce to like medium low. This is a labor of love. This is not, don't get dumb, don't crowd it. You hear that noise? That's joy. And then we got a casserole dish, and that's cast iron. That thing holds heat like a boss. It's gonna be, whew. All of our meatballs are gonna go in here, and in between the meatballs, we're gonna put sauce over it. In between that, ricotta cheese dollops, all right? And then that goes into the oven to finish.